How to turn on or turn off Samsung Internet block automatic downloads on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu button at the bottom. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in the Internet settings, we go down and tap on Privacy Dashboard. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Block Automatic Downloads. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Block Automatic Downloads for Samsung Internet. It says that this helps prevent malicious downloads that could cause problems on your phone. After, you can tap on the back key to return back to your web page, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.